Hello. So today I will explain about the characteristics of BLDC motor and also using software. We have to tune the BLDC motor using software. So this is the BLDC motor which is 1 kilowatt and peak torque is 60 Newton meter, which is 48 to 60 volt operating system, which is 3-phase trapezoidal power. So basically this is hub motor. This is a water controller for the hub motor. Here is the ignition switch and here is the throttle for this motor. So basically this hub motor operates and using this software called Hotel. Hotel is the software for this Hotel 30 controller. So basically we have to operate this software. Basically in this software we have to select first we have to select the controller serial, which is EM30S, and then we have to select the voltage range, battery voltage range for this controller. So this is 48 volt, and select the COM and connect this software. So here after connecting, here this showing voltage, RPM and the required current for the motor. So after running specific RPM, we have to calculate the power of the hub motor using voltage and current. Also multiple tuning factor in this software. We check. Here is under voltage and over voltage fault, which is automatically organized. Basically we have manually organized this. So this is the under voltage and over voltage fault. Here is the bus bar current. Here is the voltage variation for the under voltage and over voltage fault, and here is the phase current. So this is a basic factor we have to tune in a hub motor. So here is the throttle setting. Basically throttle configuration. Here is the lower protection. Basically throttle operates on 0 to 5 volt. So basically low volt protection we have to organize. So here is the starting voltage. For what voltage we have to start throttle gain. So basically for 0 voltage we cannot start the throttle. So basically there is a buffer. So we have start voltage up from 1%. We have to taking the throttle 1% 1 voltage to 4 voltage. Here is a not accurate voltage we have to given. So from 0 to 5 we have to make some buffer. So here is 1 voltage for lower voltage, 4 voltage for end voltage, or maybe say what we say high voltage. So start setting. Here is a throttle setting. On page 2 here is some internal chemistry or internal scenario on this motor. We have to arrange a current limit. Here field weakening factor. Here is a recovery time or another factor we have to configure in this software. Also we have to configure a speed mode like low, mid or high gear speed mode. We have to set on this in this software. In page 3 here is some mounting of this motor we have to operate, and here is a display. Also in this software we also in this software we capture the fault like brake fault, hall fault, or hall sensor fault, motor fault, over voltage, under voltage fault, which is tick mark which fault we have to get, we will get. So thank you.